So, let me give you a little background.
Let me break it down for you, Mordecai.
He's a phantom.
Oh my god. Well, at least everything got water. Okay. I'm gonna do something with that cow in a minute.
Many hours later.
Endangered species right there.
You think I run faster with them? I don't want to buy flowers. They don't do anything. Shut up! Then I'll lose it. Come here, cow. It's stuck. I literally can't go get it. Oh my god, this game's so evil. Come here, cow. Whatever. An X on this tree.